Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The solution is to increase the size of the formal economy, and this can be done by making transparent and efficient those institutions tasked with registering and regulating businesses full stop. Instead of harassing businesses and entrepreneurs, agencies like the FBR should act as facilitators and make it easier for new ventures to be registered and come under the documentation net full stop. This would in turn be good for the FBR because achieving the tax collection target would be easier than if they were in the black economy full stop. New paragraph. The health of women and non-binary gender is massively ignored at both an individual and structural level, says the manifesto full stop. Other issues, including enforced disappearances, are also expected to be given in-depth focus full stop. Those in the core committee say that the manifesto of Aurat March was made with collective effort and came out after months of hard work, research, and absorbing the opinions of different community members, including those women whose voices are silenced, women with disabilities, transgender groups, lady health workers, etc. Full stop. New paragraph. Women are also supporting each other online in informal ways, such as defending those subjected to cyber harassment and connecting to enable access to justice for women full stop. The hashtag MeToo movement is also strong in the Pakistani internet sphere, where defamation cases against women have not deterred others from supporting survivors full stop. In a high profile case, 8 supporters have chosen to fight defamation charges instead of apologizing for supporting a survivor full stop. Digital Rights Foundation's cyber harassment helpline has become the go-to place for psychological and legal support for women facing online harassment full stop. New paragraph. An important question is whether the proposal to switch over to open balloting is backed by any research or study in Pakistan or in any other country full stop, or is it based solely on the opinion of one or more political leaders question mark. If the move to adopt open balloting is not backed by an academic exercise of standard quality, then the first thing the government should do is to create a commission to discover the contribution to democratic progress that the system of open balloting is expected to make full stop. New paragraph. Indeed, much of the ongoing saber rattling is unnecessary full stop. The government will only harm itself by trying to fight shadows full stop. It faces no real threat from the opposition, at least not in the immediate future full stop. Now is the time to replace governance by rhetoric with governance that puts people friendly initiatives at the center, governance that should offer the nation legitimate hope of a much needed turn around in the situation full stop.